Hi, welcome to my tour. Welcome to this beautiful farmhouse located in USC School District. The inviting wrap-around front porch greets you and your guests with open arms. This home features 5 beds and 3.5 baths with 2,800 square feet of natural lighting through the entire house. Huge entryway with lots of closet space. The open floor plan on the first floor will leave you feeling cozy with your family/friends. Gleaming oak hardwood floors on first floor with a beautiful white galley kitchen with butcher block countertops. Stainless steel appliances included. There is a separate breakfast nook right off the kitchen that leads to the back deck. 2 bedrooms are located on first floor and can be used as an office. Master bedroom suite with soaking tub. Laundry room on second floor. Brand new finished game room with new carpet. So much space in this home. The yard is just the right size for kids and